Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will go over the ability to add automatic funding to your trust accounts. The benefit of this is rather than charging your clients upfront for a set amount to their trust account, automatic funding allows you to plan installments where you can dictate installment amounts, frequency, and total you'd like to collect. It is important to note that in order for this to work, you must be signed up to eIMMIGRATION billing and credit card processing. Once logged into your caseworker portal, go to the client profile you wish to add automatic funding. Once inside the client profile, you will go to the billing section, and the first thing we want to do is store our client's payment information. Click on Payment Method. Here you will have the ability to store payment card and bank ACH payment information. You will save one or both. Once you have saved the payment information, on the tabs to the right, select the trust account in the billing section. In the trust account section, you will now see a button that says Automatic Funding. When clicked, it will open up a box that will first ask you to select the payment method. This will be grabbed from the payments you just stored in the client profile. Proceed to select the payment method you want to charge. Once selected, it will list the card information, and you will see options to enter the total amount you want to charge the client, the first date you want to charge the client, and the installment amount. You will also see how often you want to charge the client. You will proceed with entering this information and have the option to auto-email the results of each funding transaction and click on Save. You have now saved the automatic funding, and the software will proceed with charging the client. A few notes regarding this feature. The software will only charge the client until it reaches the total amount entered. It will not overcharge. Also, if you manually enter payments on the trust account, it will not affect the scheduled payments. If those manual payments are related to the automatic funding, you may delete the automatic funding and create it again with the new amount. This concludes our video on automatic funding on trust accounts.